Story begins in the heartland of China. 800 years ago, there was a young archer, very amazing archer, very renowned archer. What he used to do was fabulous. He will take one arrow, he'll have the target and he will shoot. Wherever he will go, he will assemble a crowd. It'll be a marketplace. He'll have many people come and watch. Everybody will, come on. Everybody will listen. But that is not enough. You know what he does? Now he takes 2 arrows. Everybody, can he do 2 arrows? One shot. There will be 2 targets. Everybody. He gets it. Wow, 2 arrows. But it doesn't finish there. Now he takes 3 targets. Everybody. 3. 1 is good. Many can do. 2, very few people. 3, they've never heard about anybody. Takes and shoots. Wow, everybody, come on. Everybody. Yeah, everybody say, wow, we've never seen this. This is incredible. But now, what he does is, he blindfolds. He closes his eyes and he takes 1 arrow. Everybody's worried. They have never ever seen anything like this. He takes an arrow, shoots, hits the target. Everybody. Wow! Can't imagine. Amazing talent. So like this young man would go from village to village, city to city, town to town, and he will conduct this kind of performances and these kind of shows. He earned a very good name. Very soon, people all over started to come to know his name. In fact, those days, obviously, there is no social media, no newspaper, nothing. But he became so popular, people used to come to know about him, that he is coming. People were waiting. So every city, every village, he became very popular. Whenever they come to know that this man is coming, everybody will come to the marketplace. He will stay for 2 to 3 days, collect a lot of money. After the performance, he will collect good amount of money and he'll go. Now he started to feel that yes, I am the best. Now he went to a place called Chengdu. In Chengdu, there is this philosopher, Confucius. Have you heard about him? The Chinese philosopher Confucius stays. Long beard. Senior guy. He goes there. And obviously everybody comes. Confucius also comes there. He takes her 1 arrow. Shoots. Good, everybody liked it. 1 arrow, everybody knows 1 arrow kandipa. But 2 arrows is ready. Now take 2 arrows. Everybody is waiting. Can he do that? Takes 2 arrows, shoots, boom, gets both the targets. Come on, everybody. Now what he's gonna do? He takes 3 arrows. But then, what exactly he noticed? Confucius is sitting there, no? He is only doing this. As if this is nothing. As if this is nothing. This is absolutely nothing. He wonders. He says, who is this guy? Wherever I go, people go crazy. At least after 2 arrows, people will go crazy. People will be this thing. People will be amazed. He has been doing this for now almost 5 to 7 years. Now this man, old man, this is what he is doing. He takes up 3. He said, whatever happens, 3 arrows pota, this man will applaud. Takes 3 arrows, shoots, hits it, and looks at the old man. Old man. Everybody saying, wow, amazing. But this old man, nothing. He says, okay, fine. Senior person must have known something, but blindfolded, nobody has seen, nobody can do. Very dangerous act. He wears the blindfold, opens and sees the old man is still there, closes it, takes 1 arrow, and what happens? It hits the blindfold. This man opens and sees whom? Confucius. No reaction. This guy is angry now. He is frustrated. What is this? Everybody, come on. Come on. Oh, wow. Everybody say. But Confucius? Nothing. He goes to the old man. He says, what happened? What happened? I've done this. He says, this is nothing. This is nothing. It is just a matter of pee. Matter of P. Matter of P. He says it's a matter of P. What is this P? He says, no. Can you do it? He says, I can't do this. But it's just a matter of P. Matter of P. He says, no. This is disrespect. What is this? He says, come with me, I'll show you. So he takes the young archer, he takes to his house. Now, there are these two pots. Chinese pots will have a very thin neck and a wide opening. Thin neck will be there and one pot. So there is this hot oil. And what Confucius does is, he takes the hot oil and pours it on top. And the oil will fall. And without touching the sides of the vase or this thing pan, it falls inside and make a sound. Tap, 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 that sound. It does not touch anywhere. 100% precision. Takes it, does it like that. Archer is seeing, wow, this is amazing. Then Confucius takes the second one, does it. Again, does it. And he says to the young archer, you do. You do. What the young archer will say? I can't do this. I can't do this. Isn't it? Even I can't do archery like you. But it is a matter of P. Matter of P. Any one of you can learn anything with a matter of P. What is it? What is P? Practice. 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 My dear friends, practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Practice makes permanent. And then finally we'll make practice makes perfect. Have you seen yourself grow? First presentation you become better. Second presentation you're becoming even better. More and more you will become good. Isn't it? It is only a matter of P. Matter of practice. Practice, practice, practice. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.